In the next 3 hours or so, we'll cover a range of topics that are essential for anyone looking to get a solid understanding of artificial intelligence. This course is designed for beginners and intermediate learners, so think of it as a 101 class where we'll introduce and explore these concepts in enough detail to make you feel confident by the end. Now, I know some of these terms might seem a little intimidating at first glance, but I guarantee that once we're done, you'll not only understand what they all mean, but also how logical and straightforward they actually are. We'll start with an introduction to AI, where we'll discuss the basics, what AI is, the different types, and its core components. From there, we'll move on to teaching machines, which covers the various methods we use to train AI, like supervised and unsupervised learning, neural networks, and deep learning. Next, we'll dive into one of the hottest topics in AI today, generative AI. Here, we'll explore how AI can create content, whether it's text, images, or even music, and the underlying technologies like generative adversarial networks, GANs. Finally, in the last hour or so, we'll focus on practical applications. We'll learn how to use tools like ChatGPT to help you become more productive, creative, and, frankly, just amazing in your everyday tasks. So don't worry about the jargon. By the end of this course, these terms will not only make sense, but you'll also be able to apply them in real-world scenarios.